Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Hour. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to meet one of the coolest creatures in the sea, the shark. Can you make a fin with your hand on top of your head and swim like a shark? Do. Awesome! Sharks are amazing fish that have lived in the ocean for millions of years way before dinosaurs. Isn't that incredible? Sharks have super sharp teeth. And here's a fun fact, they never run out of them. If a tooth falls out, another one grows back. It's like a never-ending toothbrush refill. There are over 500 different kinds of sharks. Some are big like the gentle whale shark, which is as long as a school bus, and some are small, like the tiny dwarf lantern shark, which can fit in your hand. Baby sharks are called pups. They are born ready to swim and take care of themselves right away. Strong little swimmers from day one. Time for a shark quiz. Shout out the answers if you know them. What happens when a shark loses a tooth? It grows back. What is the biggest kind of shark? The whale shark. What are baby sharks called? Pups. Sharks may look scary, but most sharks are not dangerous to people. They are very important for keeping the ocean healthy. Wow! Friends, today we learned so many amazing things about sharks, their teeth, their different kinds, and their pups. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more underwater adventures on Kids Hour. See you next time. Bye-bye.